civil authorities has issued an immediate evacuation for the following counties or areas: Memphis, Tennessee; Germantown, Tennessee; Collierville, Tennessee. At 3:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time on January 27, 2025, effective until 6:43 p.m. Message from my POSCAP. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. All residents in Memphis are ordered to evacuate immediately. Many reports of attacks from the Ichor creatures have been received. These creatures are attacking any civilians in their path, destroying buildings, infecting anyone into a Ichor creature, and causing catastrophic damages around in these areas. In addition, the Ichor creatures are also spitting out Ichor from their mouth at anything and anyone on site. All residents in these mentioned areas are advised to evacuate immediately. Gather every source of supplies for your evacuation, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries for your evacuation. Do not pick up anyone from schools, hospitals, or nursing homes, as these facilities have their own evacuation procedures. Evacuate the area in a calm manner. While evacuating, tie a white or bright colored towel to your door or mailbox to let authorities know that you have obeyed the evacuation procedures. Do not approach these creatures, or you will face certain death. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Evacuate now. Repeat. Evacuate now.